My name is Pekka Palmgren. I work for the Finnish television, and I'm also working on a documentary for Danish, Swedish, Norwegian and Finnish television. And I'm here in Barcelona to cover this enormous event, 11th of September.
What did you see today?
I saw a very peaceful, a very loveful, joyful crowd that were demonstrating that they want to be free as people, but I didn't feel that they were against anything, except a few people that had signs that said, we're not Spanish, but that's not too aggressive.
How do you see this whole process?
It's complicated for me. I mean, as coming from a small country with 5 million inhabitants, but a country which is very, very, very proud of its independence. Finland is really, it's important for us. I totally understand the separatists here, the people who talk about independence. On the other hand, I see a complicated process. How do you do it in real life? If the Great Spain doesn't allow you to be independent, what are you going to do? It's very complicated. On the other hand, Europe is changing all the time. So you could also say that this is no big deal. New countries are being born all the time. Croatia, for instance. Finland is only 100 years old. Europe is changing all the time. Why couldn't it change now? It doesn't have to be such a big deal after all.
How did you know about this process?
I started to work on the documentary on Europe, and we started to read about many countries, many stories in newspaper, in history books, on the internet, of course. And then I just found the Help Catalonia homepage, which was in English. I started reading a little bit. Okay, this is also interesting. But then I went to a language class in Paris and I met a Catalonian lady and we became friends. And then my interest really started when I heard her personal emotions, her personal feelings about all this. Then I went back to read the facts, and well, I can't stop now. It's too interesting. I want to be here celebrating when, you know, when you have the independence.
Thank you. Okay.